Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Here I'll be showing you the main steps I followed in order to build an e-commerce for technology and electronic devices using a microservice architecture, as you can see here. In this website, a potential customer can sign up, browse the website, and choose his or her favorite items to purchase. So first, to start off, this project comprises two microservices, one for the user authentication protocols and the other for the products. These resources are consumed by an API gateway via REST API communication. Later, at the client side, there's the web component or front end, which allows the user to interact with the business logic. Now, this slide summarizes the main technologies employed in the making of the website. The front-end technologies including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Vue.js. On the middle panel, the API gateway built using GraphQL and Apollo server to manage the data sources from microservices. On the right side, the backend, which consists of two microservices. First, the one in charge of handling any information and any functionality related to the user or new or existing users. This was built in Python using Django and Django REST framework, and also Postgres SQL for data persistence. And the second microservice was written in Java using Springboot framework and Mongo database. This microservice controls any operation related to the product sold on the website. After that, the microservices, the API gateway and the front end were deployed via Docker for virtualization and deployed on Heroku, as you can see here. This project was built considering all the technologies mentioned previously. This is the graphic interface where the first window asks us to either log in or sign up, depending on whether we have an active account. In this case, I already have one, so let's use it. This is a fictitious user I created a while ago, and as we can see up here, an alert appears indicating that the credentials are valid. Once the client logs in, they are redirected to the home page where a list of recommended items are displayed here, and also there's a recommended button here. We can click to bring a new list of items that are retrieved using an algorithm to select among the best-selling products. Additionally, the search of products can be filtered by categories by clicking on any of these categories, including computers, keyboards, mouses, and consoles. Furthermore, one specific product can be selected to open its detailed view by further clicking on it. Here we can see a few pictures of the product together with a description of the item reference, name, availability, number of elements in stock, and some other details. By clicking up here, we can go back to the previous view. And also down here, there is a button to select the number of items to include to our shopping cart. After clicking on Add to Favorite, we can proceed to the shopping cart. Here there is a button where if clicked, we are redirected to our list of favorites where we can see the total bill. We can change the number of items in one or several of these products, as can be seen here. Now the total bill also changes, and we can even delete any of these products. For example, this one, we click on delete and the page will refresh and the total will change again. This button here will open some contact info. And finally, the last functionality is the logout, which will clear the local storage and close our current session. Well, I know this project has a huge room for improvement. However, given the limitations in time and resources and the original scope of the project, I feel glad about the outcome and willing to face new challenges. Thank you for watching.